Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be talking about my second round of IBM software developer role. So in my second round, when I cleared my first round, I was told by my recruiter that I have cleared it on the same day itself, and then he told that I'll be scheduling the second round in the coming days. And after 2-3 days, the second round was scheduled. And yeah, so in this video I'll be sharing you the questions which were asked to me in my second round. So the second round started with the interviewer telling about herself, what she does, what the team works on. She was like a senior manager, uh, and the guy who interviewed me in my first round, he works under her. So she explained what the team does and everything, and what I will be doing in my role if I get selected. And after that, she asked for my introduction and what do I do in my current company, how what my day looks like, and all that. So after that, she asked me if I have any development experience or not. And since I did not have any development experience, I tried to convince her that I have been working on lead code problems, like solving lead code problems. And even though I don't do development in my current role, uh, I try to uh, build personal projects, and I have enrolled myself in Scalar, which is helping me in develop those skills and experience which is required in the software development field. And I will be able to like cope up with the work which will be given to me if I get selected. So she seemed pretty convinced with that. And as at Scalar, we build a full full-fledged project as well. So uh, that has also equipped me with the right skill set and the and things which are required, like basic knowledge of GitHub and everything, and working on a project, and committing the changes, pushing the code to production, and having your code deployed on cloud. So all that is being taught, and I have learned that. That is all through the help of Scalar. This feels like a promotion of Scalar, but it isn't, and it has actually helped me. And this job which I've got it is all because of Scalar, because I enrolled at Scalar. Uh, yeah, okay. So after that, she asked me a system design question, and the question was to uh, like uh, like I have to build an application for myself where I have a list of 30 stocks and I want to monitor them for 1 month. So what this application will do is basically on the list of 30 stocks which I have, it will keep getting every day's data. Like for day one, it will get whatever was the current opening price, closing price, all that. So all the data it will keep adding day by day with corresponding dates. And after a month, so I'll have 30 days data, right? After that month, I will just see how it has performed and everything, and I will make a decision on whether to buy or sell or hold the stock or not. So that is not the job of the application to do. That I will do, but main thing was just to like get the data, store it, and the user should be able to see it on the application, that data basically. So I had to tell what will be the back end, what will be the front end, how will I get the data of the stocks. So yeah, I answered all that. She asked me a question where like, how will you automate it to trigger, like how will it actually get fetch the data from the uh, there will be a third party API which will serve the stocks data, right? So I told there can be a cron job setup which can be triggered at a particular time to go and fetch the results and then store it in our database. And then with each new day, it will just trigger once and then get the data. So like that, we will have day by day, we'll store the data. And yeah, then our application should be working fine as per the requirement which is there. So that took around 30 minutes to 40 minutes time to explain all that and to answer all the cross questions which were given to me. And then there was one coding question which was asked to me. So the coding question was, suppose I have a integer array and there are some numbers in it. I have to find uh, the number which is occurring most number of times. So there would be a number which has maximum frequency, right? So I have to find that number first, and then I have to return a subarray which consists all the occurrences of that max frequency element, right? It sounds pretty simple, right? So we will use a hash map to get the frequency of all the elements, and then whatever is occurring the max number of times, um, that element basically will keep track if all the occurrences have been. So we'll traverse the array once and we'll keep track if all the occurrences are over or not. Once all the occurrences are over, we can know that this is the subarray, and we have to return that subarray basically in the output. So hope you understood the question. This was the question, and I first coded it considering there is only one element, which is the max frequency element. Then she told me, what if there are more than one, like two or three max occurring elements in the array? How will you code that? So then I modified my code a bit, and I was able to solve that as well. So you can try solving this question on your own. And after this was done, she told me if you have any questions for me, and I said I asked some questions about the team and how the work is, and yeah, that's all that was in this, and it was a 1 hour round interview, and 1 hour was over almost. So she told, okay, all the best for your next round, and she dropped from the call, and then later on the same day in the evening, the recruiter told that there's positive feedback for this round as well, and you will be moving to the next round, which is called the IBM PDM interview, PDM round. So I will be making a video on that as well. So yeah, if you're new here, subscribe to my channel. And if you want to transition from a non-development role to a development role, follow me on LinkedIn. I will be posting tips on that. I will be making videos on that as well, like how I transitioned myself from a system engineer to a software developer. And yeah, that's all for this video. And let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section below, and we can connect on LinkedIn. And yeah, bye bye.